So I think we can start with it. Voyr is the open community where creators and fans are empowered to create and celebrate R plus life. Here we have a button VIP access. So as we can see, we can register here. Let's be back to the site. So here we have where the token is available on. It's available on PancakeSwap and Bitcoinix. So as you can see, we can like buy the tokens there and invest. Memories by Voyr, NFT marketplace, launching July 2021. So as you can see, it will be July of this year, and the token is based on NFT. Coming soon. Here we have some questions and answers to them. So as you can see, we have the answers. So if you are interested in the project, I highly recommend you to be informed with the answers. So as you can see, we have some social medias of the project like Twitter, Telegram, Discord, Twitch, TikTok, Reddit, YouTube and Instagram. So as we can see, it is a professional project. Let's click here, be a creator. Here we have some like introducing to the project. Meet Voyr, where creators and fans comes together to celebrate R plus life. Explore. Here we have some features like audio, video, photo posts, fan subscriptions, private messaging, verification, daily feeds, NFT marketplace, asset growth, personal branding opportunities. Welcome to Voyr, the first social community exchange platform run on blockchain that gives all the power back to the creators and empowers them to build a meaningful, rewarding relationship with their fans. What is it? Voyr is not just another content subscription service. Yes, it is a platform where content creators can easily monetize their creations, but it's all done using Voyr token, which is an open, governed and decentralized cryptocurrency. So as you can see, we can like invest in the project if we want. Content creators can connect with their fans in authentic way by creating and sharing posts publicly, as well as privately for content that they wouldn't want to post on other sites, enabling a deeper relationship between creator and fan. Further creators can offer monthly subscriptions and even create one of a kind collectible called memories that fans can purchase, hold or resell that pay lifelong royalties to the creator. Here we have key dates: July 2021, August and December. Here we have explained why Voyr. So it is basically our mission is to give back to the community. Our core value is that everybody is equal and should have a piece of the pie. We are deeply passionate about connecting creators with their fans, whether an experienced creators that seeks to keep more of their fans' contribution instead of giving it away to high fees, or a new creator looking for that spotlight to shine for the first time. And using Voyr token, we can accomplish our mission and reward all our users, whether creator or fan, and even continuously allocate for charity. So as you can see, we can have some positive values about investing. Here we have how does it work. So basically, you can subscribe and support pay for our creations for Voyr token and basically invest in the token and have like benefits. Ambassador incentive program. Here we have all the values about the benefits of the program, and here we have a button to apply and how to become a creator. Keep your profit with no fees. As you can see, 0 fees. And here we have charts and comparing it sales to fees. And again we have some social medias. So I think here we have the answers and questions as we had back then on the beginning, and here we have the date of them. Don't ask what the world needs, ask what makes you come alive and go do it, because what the world needs is people who have come alive. Howard Truman. I think it's a good sentence to hear. Welcome home. Unleash your creative inspirations, whether in photographs, video, music, digital media, or fine arts. You have a home here on Memories by Voyr to share with the world the way you want to share. So as you can see, we can share here photographs, video, music, digital media, and fine arts. Created. It all begins with an idea. Maybe you want to launch a business, maybe you want to turn a hobby into something more, or maybe you have a creative project you know the world will love. Whatever it is, tell your story online right here on Voyr. Minted. With the click of a button Voyr will turn your creation into a digital asset, also known as an NFT. Sell it, enable your fans to support your work, and open up a whole new revenue stream for you with endless possibilities. You own your content, you own your price, no content limitations, no platform percentage cuts. And here we have a button to join, create your memories. So as you can see, we have even a merge of the project right here. So let's click on it and see what's in there. So as you can see, here we have some hoodies, t-shirts and stuff. So that's it. And let's be back. Here we have some stuff about the project too, like token, charts. You can click on charts. So as you can see, we have here some values about the token in last period of time. So as you can see, it was rising last time, but the last 24 hours in like negative about 50%. But it doesn't mean it's that bad, because you can buy it in like lower price to start investing in it. So I think that we can be back to the main site and see what's there. We have in a event reviews team. Let's click on team. Here we have founders of the whole project. So I think this looks pretty professional, and I think we can be back to the main site and see how to buy it, just to show you. So as you can see here, we have the page to buy it. It's pancake swap. So here we have the choosing value to like buy it. So I think, as you can see, it isn't that hard to do. And I think that's it for this video, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!